Noises are so common, and sometimes it's something that's pretty simple and straightforward. A lot of times we'll get a rattle on acceleration, and more often than not, it might be a loose exhaust heat shield or a clamp that's broken and just kind of at the right vibration, making a little bit of a rattling noise, which we can sometimes handle on the spot as a walk-in, sometimes. But other noises are maybe a little bit more complicated, and we'll definitely need a technician's expertise to find and pinpoint what it is.